The next task is blob versioning and soft delete features. So first we will see what is the soft delete. Go to the portal, just click on the storage account, what you have created. So from the left side menu, you can see under the data management option, you will see an option called data protection. When you click here, I can see the enable soft delete for blobs, enable soft delete for containers. Soft delete is nothing but just like our recycle bin. Whatever we delete from the computer, that will goes to the recycle bin. Okay. But here, what happens is whatever the file in the container that we delete, that will be under the soft delete if you enable this. Okay. So here the specified days is 7 means 7 days it is going to last. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So you can specify, you can change this number for whatever you want. Okay. The number you can change. By default, the user has given 7 days, but you can change this number, whether you can increase this number of days or decrease the number of days according to your requirement. Okay. So, so both are enabled by default, but both are enabled. So now we will go to the storage browser, go to the container and try to delete one file. Okay. So here employee, I am going to delete this. Click on delete, click on delete. Okay. Successfully deleted. Employee data is deleted. Now if you see here, the option here, if you see only show active blobs. So for example, if you click here, show active and deleted blobs. Now you can see whatever the file that I have deleted, that will comes here with the delete option, right? So here the retention days is 6, right? So 6 days, 6 days, 6 days and 23 hours, 55 seconds, like that it will be, right? So before 6 days, if you want to retain, that must be done within 6 days from today, right? So when you click here, when you click again here, and when you click on undelete, it is going to again restored like a recycle bin. Okay. So this is nothing but soft delete, nothing but soft delete. When it comes to the blob version is nothing but when you try to upload the same file, multiple times, the older file will be replaced with the newer file. Okay. The old file will be replaced with the new file. For example, here this is a employee data, right? For example, if I want to upload it again, upload the same file, that employee data again, name should be same. Make sure the name should be same again. It is saying that the following file already exists, so upload is disabled. So to make it enable, just to click here, overwrite if files already exist. Now click on upload. Now here, if you see the last modified date, you can see here. See, now the time is 2:58. It is showing like this. Okay. So if you want to see the older version, view versions, click on view version, because that must be enabled. I did not enable that. So go to the data management, data protection, scroll down, enable versioning for blobs. By default, it was disabled. That's why the older version did not visible there. So when you enable versioning for blobs, there are two options again here. Keep all versions means whatever the version that we have replaced, we can keep all the versions. So multiple times, how many times we have uploaded the same file, those many older versions will be exist here in the Azure. Okay. So for example, if you don't want all of them to be in your Azure portal, so you can delete versions in days. Okay. When you click here, it is going to ask the days. So after the specified days, the older versions will be deleted permanently. So by default, I'm going with the keep all versions only. Now enable versions for blobs. Enable it and click on save. Successful updated. Now go to the storage browser again. Blob containers, container. Now, so I have to upload it again because before I have uploaded, right? Now click on upload, browse, employee data, overwrite, upload. Okay. So now see here, this is the time which I have uploaded. Now go to the view versions. I will check what is the error here. So here, nothing is there. You have to refresh it. Once you refresh it, just click here, right click here and reload it. Then it will be shown. Okay. That is only the problem. Now, if you see here, this is the older version. This is the older version. So, for example, how to recognize which one is the newer and which one is the older one? We'll just try to change the data here now. Okay. So here, I'm going to change. I'm going to just modify the data. Mm, Here it is 75,000, 60,000. I want to make it into 80,000. Okay. The salary of allies, before it was only 60,000. Now I have changed this into 80,000. Right. Now this I'm going to upload. See, in the older version, if you see, view or edit. So the allies salary 60,000 only. Now I'm going to upload the updated one. Okay. Upload, browse. Yeah, this is the data, right? So click here and upload. Now this is the newer one. So now click on view or edit. So 80,000. This is a new file that I have uploaded. If you want to see the older file which was replaced, okay, go to the new view versions. So this is the last one, right? Now, if you want to see this, just click here and make this as the current version. Means the older version I am going to replace with the newer one. I'm going to replace with the newer one. So make current version like this. If you click here also okay. Otherwise you can directly click here. This is also okay, right? Make current version. So whatever I have changes made that I have uploaded, that 80,000, now that must be salary should be again 60,000 because older version I'm going to replace. Now go here. This was replaced with the newer one. Now see here 60,000, right? 60,000 will be replaced again. Again, the older version is replaced. Now, if you so whatever, how many times you are replacing the older files will be placed here. Okay, so three times I have replaced. So the three older versions will be replaced. Older versions will be save here, right? So this will be deleted after the 7 days. If you want to specify, you can enable that option, right? So uh, like this blob versioning and soft delete will work.